We have yet another rock pool. This is for YAAS, down 75.41%. This is Tuesday, the 1st of July, the regular session. And somebody was pointing out yesterday, I just saw that on one of the pieces written on Yahoo Finance. See the pattern. You can see now, you see the stock, you know, just printing higher prices. This went on from the 7th of June non-stop, never fell below its 3-day moving average up till more than 1 month. Never fell below its okay. Well, at some point it did somewhere, but just okay. Well, if you begin from here, Friday today, 23rd of May, ran this non-stop run, and yeah, up to 12th of June. But you get a pattern. If you watch this, and then you probably fall for it, and then you put your money, and then we have this climatic spike on the 24th of June, and then yeah, probably you got in at some point and you saw, yeah, maybe this is it, and you got sucked in. So, but in any case, it's a rock pool regardless. It doesn't look like it's a sudden plunge. There was a sick there were it doesn't look like a sudden plunge, given that it's actually attempted to recover and then plunged again. Yeah, so it's always, you have to do your due diligence. A lot of these stocks are not investment grade stocks. We've noticed a pattern. It's usually companies incorporated in China that have these sudden rock pools. And this is one of them. The company is a holding company primarily engaged in providing software as a service and a platform as a service for retail enterprises. The company mainly operates two businesses. The professional services business is engaged in providing customer relationship management and system development services, additional functional development services, and subscription services, and much more. Offices in Guangzhou in China. So you have to be really careful with these stocks. You have to be careful with them. So this is okay. Even on Monday, yesterday just printed. It went to climatic. Printed. This probably is an all time high of $7. Let me see. Seven. Yeah, it's yeah. So I this wasn't even the last of it all. This is not even the last of the spikes. It happened yesterday. So just after 1 day, I mean, see the difference. This is what, see, you do the math and find out how much it has lost in one trading session. That is unbelievable stuff. Let's calculate it. 7 minus 0.95. 7 minus 0.95. 6 okay, 6.05 um, divided by 7. It has lost its 6.42%. So yeah, since that time, it's unbelievable stuff. Yeah, okay. That's what's going on. You just have to be really careful with these stocks. Just be really careful. And this dip is most certainly not likely to be a buy. It has an upper projection of 4.7. You absolutely cannot rely on that at all. 4.7. Let's see what the market grid is indicating for this stock. Okay, it's yeah, you can it's trading way outside of its market grid on based on this daily chart, indicating that it could even print lower prices. Yeah, indicating that it could print lower prices. At the same time, you could also make the argument that it is probably going to rebound into that into the market grid, and then maybe contract from there. But if it doesn't do that, if it continue, it could still, like I said, it may continue to print lower prices. What will happen is that the market grid will expand to accommodate it. If the market grid keeps waiting for it to come back and it doesn't come back, it will react. It will, face the reality, which is that it's probably not going to come back anytime soon. You know. So let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. So upper projection we have here is 4.7. No, there's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. There's also 1.93. There's 2.46, 3.05. You really can't rely on this based on this. But you can't rely on this. There's a good chance they may continue to print lower prices. So we have the 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have. It's also trading way outside of its market grid as well. Let's see what we have. 7.15, 8.49, 9.33. You can't rely on these prices at all. Okay, so we have upper projections as well, in addition to the ones I mentioned. Because it's trading outside of the price channel. So, I mean market grid. So you have to. Those prices are upper projections. So 2.73, 3.01, 3.33, 3.64, 4.2, 4.51, 4.83, 5.11. You really can't rely on this. So it looks like it happened not long ago. Yeah, it looks like it happened not long ago. Yeah, but yeah, it doesn't look it hasn't been up to 4 hours since this plunge happened. So we'll see how things pan out. We can just quickly just have a look at the 1 minute chart and see what they're projecting. Here you can see how the market grid is. It's the stock is within it. It's the stock is trading above the market grid here. Okay, because it's a 1 minute chart. It reacts every 1 minute. Things will be reconfigured and to meet the reality. So it's currently trading in between, right in its resistance zone. No, okay, it's trading between the resistance and support zones right now. So let me move the grid. So let's see whether we have any upper projections here. We have lower prices expected. In terms of projections, the algos are not. We're not really going to read a lot of meaning into it. It's not really going to be of much use. Yeah. So let's come back and see the 5 minute chart and see if there are any upper projections here. Okay, the 5 minute chart. We have some projections here. We have 3.73. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. No guarantee at all. Yeah. So yeah, Rock Pool has they've done it on this one. You shouldn't be surprised by now if you've been around some of these stocks on the deep. So you can't rely on any upper projections that I've mentioned here that indicators are pointing out to. As a matter of fact, it has continued to print through lower prices. We saw 75% loss. It has increased now, and the intraday low has also deepened further. It's dipped further now. Now 0.83 now. So just be really careful with the stock. Just be really careful. Okay, and there's no indication that bottom has been reached. There's also no indication that it's going to rebound and retest the highs that is coming from. So just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video. But before we go, let's see what's going on the yeah. Let's see how active things are. People could be buying this deep. They could be doing so. Yeah, but it's not advisable to do so. It's looking quite liquid. It's looking quite liquid. You can see the amount of shares going through. Yeah. So just be careful, man. Just be careful. So it's this deep is not there's no guarantee it's going to work. It's no guarantee. Yeah. If not anything, there's a good chance more lower prices may continue to print. Okay. So thank you one more time.